Hey guys, what's up? It's Barbie. I come to hit you with an amazing Amazon find. My Amazon picks. I've been ordering like crazy off of Amazon. I need to pump my brakes. But let me just start with what I've been waiting for today to come in. I didn't think this container was going to be this huge, but this is a protein powder, plant-based protein and greens. It's got 20 grams of protein. This, and like I say, I didn't think the container was going to be this big. This thing is big as my head. But anyway, I haven't tried it yet. I got this from a YouTuber that I follow. Shout out to Helen H. She's somewhere here in Houston. I follow her on YouTube, and I really enjoy her content. So I went to her page, went to her Amazon picks, and I saw that this was something that she, spoke of. So I said, let me try it. So again, this is the protein plant-based powder. So I'm going to put it in my shakes and, well, not shakes per se, but I'm going to mix it in with my fruits and vegetables so I can get a good supply of protein. So I got this one. And I'm a chocolate holic. Yeah, I think that's how you say that. This one is also plant-based. This one is a little bit smaller of a serving. It's real chocolate, like I said, plant-based. Again, shout out to Helen H from YouTube for telling me or mentioning these plant-based protein powders. Another one that I'm going to put in like with my smoothies and get my supply of protein. I think the protein, yeah, both of them are 20 grams of protein. This one is chocolate flavored. So I'm going to also, guys, show you some of my other amazing, what I consider to be amazing Amazon finds, simply because I'm on this health regimen and I just want to feel better and, just get myself to a healthier state during this COVID. I know it's hard. We're going through it, y'all. So let me just show you some of the other great finds that I got off of Amazon. This one I haven't even opened yet, but let me open it. It's a 6-pack of aromatherapy. I love aromatherapy essential oils. I can smell it through the package. This one has Breathe Easy, Good Night, Deep Muscle Relief, Rejuvenate. I'm kind of going a little slow because I'm trying to make it out. It's a little faded text. The color is real light on the packaging. Detox and stress free. So you got Breathe Easy, Deep Muscle Relief, Detox, Good Night, and Rejuvenate and stress free. So what I'm going to do with these is mix them into my body butters, and also just use it on my skin and hair, just to soothe and relax. Put it in maybe like a foot bath or something like that. Put it directly on your skin and hair, your pulse points. So this is a 6-pack of aromatherapy pro therapeutic grade. Nice. Like I say, you can smell it through the package. I'm gonna see if I can open this. Yeah, there we go. Just to show you, I bought some of this a while back, but it was different. It was just like your lemon, what they call it, green tea, peppermint, eucalyptus, lavender, the standard aromatherapy scents. So I wanted to take advantage of some of the other ones, like Good Night. Let's see what Good Night smells like. It's little droppers. I think it's 3 ounces. Oh, the oil kind of leaked in the packaging. Hope I didn't lose a lot of my good fragrance, y'all. Yeah, it's 3 ounces, I believe. No, no, wait a minute. Can't see this little fine print, y'all. To break out my glasses, but I think this is a little, maybe it's a 1 ounce container. I don't think it's 3 ounces, 0.3 ounces, something like that. Let's take a smell of Good Night. Hard to say out the container unless you actually are putting it on something, but truthfully, this Good Night to me smells like a black licorice. Go figure. I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna smell one more maybe. Let's smell the detox. See what the detox smell like. Again, this is essential oils that you can put directly onto the body and or mix it in like your creams and your body butters if you're into DIY like I am and you like to make the body butters and things like that to give them some fragrance. And got it on my tip of my nose. That was kind of strong, but it's hard to tell. I'm gonna say the jury's out on what they really smell like because I can't really smell it too well. I can smell it, but it's not giving me the vibe that I want. So we're gonna, again, just hold off and I'll probably come back on another video and give an update. Let me show y'all this now. See this big old tub? This is, I don't know if you can see that, African shea butter. It's a 32 ounce tub and it's so creamy, y'all. Yeah, excuse me. It's so creamy. I've been using it. I got it a couple of days ago. Again, all of this stuff came from Amazon, and they've been delivering fairly quick. I'm waiting on a package now that's delayed, but I'm sure I'll get it. So I'm an Amazon Prime user, guys. See that? It's so soft and creamy. It's natural shea butter. So I'm gonna use it. Again, this is can be used on your entire body, your hair, just to soothe and, you know, make your skin feel nice and soft. You can mix this with an essential oil and whip it up and make a body butter, which is what I plan to do with that. Now, let me show you this. This little bracelet here, it has like, see that little oil on my hands? I don't want to block my face. Y'all see that oil? But anyway, this little bracelet here came with another essential oil, 100% pure natural essential oils trio set. So this smells real nice. This one, and again, I'm into this aromatherapy. I always have been. And did I forget to mention, guys, that I am a licensed massage therapist? So a lot of this stuff is related to me wanting to, again, be healthy, be in good condition so I can take care of my clients, and in doing so, take care of myself will allow me to take care of my clients and feel good. Now, the fragrances in this one is orange, lavender, and one of my favorites is frankincense. Can y'all see that? I won't block my face, but yeah. Got the orange, sweet orange, lavender, and frankincense. Again, it's the same size 1 ounce container, just like the other little set. And this one is by Nolaha. I think that's how you pronounce it. Naloha. Yeah, tell me. Naloha. Can y'all see that? It's a little glare, but yes. And this little bracelet has like the tiger eye, jade. I forget what all the different meanings for it is. But anyway, batch manufacturer. Huh. This stuff has an expiration date. I never knew that essential oils had an expiration date. Can y'all see that? It's got the batch number, manufacture date, expiration date. Anyway, that's that one. And like I say, this bracelet with these little black beads that's on here, they're the ones that you can drip the little essential oil on and wear it just to relax you, keep you calm. It smells so good. Okay, moving on. Now, as I mentioned, I am a massage therapist, so I did order some things for massage therapy and just to soothe the body. So let me show y'all what I got. I'm just grabbing some things out of this box down here. I did order a I forget what you call these little pieces here, but anyway, these you use to produce or promote blood circulation when you're doing a massage. You can go over the area on the back, the feet, the neck, in my levator scapula. Anyway, so this came in a little three pieces. They're jade and just made of glass. But this one I dropped and broke. As soon as I took it out the package, it broke. So anyway, it's going back to Amazon because it hit the floor and it just broke in two. So anyway, you can probably hear it. It's actually jade, simulation of jade. I don't think this is really jade, but anyway, it fell and broke, y'all. So I'm gonna send that one back, and I don't think I want to really replace it. I'm gonna look for something similar to that. And I got this roller ball. Let me take a sip of this water. This roller ball, also for massage therapy. Just roll it. Oh, it feels so good, I promise you. And I ain't even really down into it, but it feels good, y'all. So this is something I'm going to use for massage therapy. That's the roller ball. In fact, I'm going to order another one of these because it feels so good, and I can just use two when you're rolling it across your body on your back or something like that. So that's the roller ball. All of this stuff is Amazon Prime. This one here is called the Green Thumb Saver. Can you see that? Oh, let me do it. See, I don't know if you can see that. Green Thumb Saver for massage. So, again, when you're doing a massage and you're going over pressure points or trigger points or tightness, just place your thumb in there, put the little grip, and you can just go into the tissue and just massage out those areas that are tight or tense. So that's the massage Green Thumb Saver for massage. So I got that. And also got these little balls. One of them is like a hard spiky ball. This one has a little bit more flexibility to it. So I'm gonna use that also in my massage. You can go over stretches and different little techniques. This one is a little, not a little, this is a lot harder. Again, it's a little spiky ball that you use for massage. This is just some of the stuff that I'm showing y'all. And also, I got this roller. Got the little, see how these little pieces here, they roll and move. But this you can roll over the back, use it on the legs, use it on your neck, your arms, just pretty much anywhere on the body, and just roll out some of that stress and some of that tension. So this is the massage roller. I took it out the box and out the package so I don't have the blocking my face so I don't have the container or the packaging that it came in. But yeah, that's what this is. Okay. And I'm not going to carry on with this and make it extremely long. But anyway, guys, just want you to just keep paying attention and watching my content. I'm new to YouTube, so I'm trying to get my YouTube, up and going and more successful. I appreciate all the love, support, and if you could just go out there when you watch my content, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and like and share. Thanks for tuning in, and stay safe, and God bless. I'll holler back.